John Piper with the Tuesday video, and it's Tuesday 11th September, and we're starting with a chart of the DAX this morning. Right, looking at the DAX, my main point is that we saw a decline here of around 2,000 points. So 2,000 points off the current peak here, which I'm counting as a peak of wave 2. So I1 down to there, 2 to there, being 11,200. However, right now we are already at a support level. This decline here from 13.2 down to 12.1, about 1,100 points, and the decline here from 12.9 down to 11.8 gives us support around the current level. Plus, we've got the decline here from there down to here, which is about 800 points. Again, similar parameters suggesting that there is support where A equals C around the current level. And of course, have seen a fairly decent bounce today. Let's go down a leg. So looking at the hourly chart, this can be counted as a fifth wave, and we have a false break, a buying spike. So I think there's a case now we're going to see some kind of bounce, but I expect another correction before we go down. I think 6633 is on its fourth or fifth position now on this, so it's doing quite nicely at the moment. But it may need to start again if we see a more significant rally coming in. Right, looking at Footsie, we saw the peak back in May. ABC declines, so I think it's just a correction. Although corrections, as I've said before, can become more significant. So we've got an A wave, a B wave, now a 1, a 2, a 1, 2, possible 3, 4, and a fifth wave now with us, possibly. The end of 3 could be close. So a fourth wave, rally perhaps, and then one final sell-off might complete that pattern. But again, we could see acceleration in this kind of phase. There's a fair number of reasons why we could see acceleration to the downside. Right now, it looks like, again, we could see a bit of a bounce, but more downside to come. Right, meanwhile, the Dow just sails on regardless. So a very small correction. I mean, it gets about 400 points now, so not totally insignificant, but a very corrective looking format at the moment. Nothing really much to go on right home about. And in the scheme of things, it looks just at the moment like another blip, really. All right, gold, no real change. We've got the big buying spike, we've got the 5 waves up. We've discussed, we've got the ABC, BC down with support 11.9. As I said at the weekend, if that holds, then we could see a third wave thrust. Not much sign of that just at the moment, but unless 11.9 gets taken out, it's still on the card. All right, plus no real change on Bitcoin. I mean, 5772 is the current low. So we could find support around there, 5897. I can't say I'm very hopeful, and again, as I said at the weekend, but this could be an A, a B, and a C, but I'm inclined to expect lower prices, but it'd be nice to be surprised, but right now it looks pretty negative. That's all for today. Hope you found that interesting and useful. Back to the report on Thursday morning. Have a great day, thanks for listening, and bye for now.